The JUI ideological supporters marched on the roads to express their resentment over the US court's judgment. The flags-waving seminary students gathered at Main Mizan Chowk, where their leaders lashed out at United States. The emotionally charged supporters of Hardline religious group chanted slogans against the US for its policies towards Muslims. They carried placards inscribed with slogans criticizing the US judiciary.
पाकिस्तान की हुकूमत से पुरजोर अपील करते हैं कि वो डॉक्टर आफिया सिद्दीकी को बाइज्जत रहा करे और उसको अपने घर और अपने बाल बच्चों के साथ बाइज्जत पहुंचाए। उस पर न कोई जुर्म है न उसने कोई जुर्म किया है।
The JUI leaders during their stormy speeches announced their support for Taliban fighters. They demanded of the Muslim countries to stand united against all anti-Muslim forces.
पाकिस्तानी कौम की बेन है और उनके साथ जुल्म हो रहा है। हम हुक्मरानों से ये अपील करते हैं कि उस मुकाबले में वज़ीर दाखिला और सब हजरात किरदार अदा कर ले और उनको रिहा कराए।
The speakers claim that the current Pakistani government is protecting American interests instead of the country and nation. They vowed that defenseless Muslims would take revenge from US authorities for convicting Dr. Afia Siddiqui. The emotionally charged supporters of Jamiat Ulama Islam ideological are demanding of the Pakistani government to break its diplomatic relations with the United States for convicting Pakistan's neuroscientist Dr. Afia Siddiqui in a fake murder case. Syed Ali Shah, Dawn News, Quetta.